Good day, everyone. This is my app I just made. It's called Biomachine What Should Survive. Yeah, so basically it's about the integration of our carbon molecules, what we know as a human being, with silicon. Silicon is what we have used for tech, for a lot of things in the industry. So basically, it's engineering itself, all the computation, all the sensing, and then we have carbon. It's basically what we know as what's real to us, what is the representation of life. So as we have it that way, we see that there are examples of this already being used. The prosthetic limbs we have, we see that it's still the residual nerve. That residual nerve is the carbon, the electrodes that read that intention, the actuators that enact it. But at the same time, the loss of the original sense of human feeling, the carbon itself, is gone, and you're trying to replace it with perhaps it's aluminium, perhaps it's a wooden prosthetic. This is just a metaphor. The goal is this is engineering. The peak of human engineering is that you are trying to return that feeling of carbon being there, trying to return that feeling of let me not say carbon, maybe carbon is going to keep confusing you. You're trying to return that feeling of organic molecules. I should have used organic molecules. That would have been better. Yeah, it would have enhanced understanding. But basically, yeah, that's it. We try to do that with humans, prosthetics, and all of that. This is just reading material that goes on to talk about biological versus artificial. It's not biological versus artificial. It's the simulated process of how we understand it to the engineered extension of that real process. And we will still come back to the biological process because that is what we want. That is all we have as something precious to us. That is the core aspect of medicine. We want to protect that biological process that makes us feel alive, that makes us feel pain. We want to preserve it, we want to cherish it. That is all this website is. How can we integrate the sophistication of technology with what is precious to us as human beings?